It has been established under 101 Amendment Act of Indian Constitution. Good evening, friends. Today my topic of lecture it is GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is an indirect tax that has been levied on the all type of manufacturing, sale and purchase and all the and consumption of all the goods and services throughout the country. GST would replace all types of indirect tax which was initially levied by the central government and the state government. GST is an indirect tax for the whole country under the one nation one tax scheme. It has been established under 101 Amendment Act of Indian Constitution. Now we will be talking about GST slabs. GST Council has fitted over more than 1300 goods and 500 services into under the four slabs, which are like 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. And the GST bill came into enforcement on 1st of July 2017. There are many things which are not included in the GST slabs, like alcohol, petroleum product, and apart from that, electricity. These all products are all the taxes of these products are taken care and will be responsible by the state government. Now I will be talking about the benefits and the demerits of the GST. Firstly, I will be talking about the benefits. GST will eliminate all types of indirect tax like service tax, custom duty, and central excise duty and service tax. So these kind of a tax will be eliminated by the GST. Apart from that, it will create a unified common nation market for the export and imports throughout the country. Apart from that, GST due to online platform will reduce the leakage in the system. Apart from that, it will also reduce the corruption because of the online platform and bring transparency in the system as well as in the India. And it will also reduce the flow of black money into the India. Now I'll be talking about the demerits of GST. It has impacted a lot of sector. For example, real estate sector. Like after the introduction of the GST, the increment of the cost of new homes has increased up to 8%, and the total demand of the new homes will reduce up to 12%. Apart from that, a large number of multiple rates under the GST has introduced the complexity in the business sector. So I would like to conclude my topic by saying GST is a great initiative taken by the government because it is ultimately reducing the corruption and the black money, and it is improving the economy and strengthening our nation. Thank you.